Danny Robisky here, coming at you live at Kunes RV in Elkhorn, Wisconsin. Weather's nice, people are camping, out having fun. We just celebrated the 4th of July again. I hope everybody had a wonderful holiday from me and all of us at Kunes RV, wishing you guys the best. As promised, we are back to you live to kind of go over some different units, and we've been doing some fifth wheels, some bunkhouses. Today, we're going to show you a true couples coach, but don't let that fool you, because you can still bring your friends to come camping. This unit is really, really good, and you're going to like it. I'm going to point out a lot of different features on it to kind of go over the whole entire thing with you. So what we have sitting here right now is we have a brand new Dutchman Kodiak Ultra-Lite. This is a 261 RBSL. Super amazing camper. Now, letting you kind of take a look at the features and stuff, one of the biggest things is I'm going to point out to you right off the bat. Take a little follow with me over here. Everybody is always wanting to know, can I tow this? One thing I really want to point out on these units, they make it so easy. You come right over on the driver's side, it's got a tag with your dry unloaded weight and your max GVWR. This thing is sitting at 5,780 pounds empty, 7,600 total pounds. This is a complete half-ton towable unit. Now, while we're already sitting here at the front of the camper, I'd like to point out, look at this full front pass-through storage. That is absolutely huge. Coolers, lawn chairs, any miscellaneous things that you want to put in here, this is a full solid pass-through from side to side that's going in there. You can take a look. It also comes equipped with the lights in there, so you can see everything going on at no matter what time of the day that you are at. I will also bring you up to the front to show you standard dual 20-gallon propane tanks, power tongue jack with a light, hookup light, 2 5/16 ball. Look at this front. You got outside LED cap lights, so you can put on there if you forget where you put your camper, want to see a little extra lighting. It's got that written to go. Beautiful front skirting, so you don't have to worry about any of the damage with all the rocks and everything coming up. Now what we're going to do is we're going to kind of come off to the side here. One of the best things that I like to point out on this, Foley power stabilizer jacks. This is so easy. All you got to do, one touch. They're coming all the way straight down. No more sitting there with that crank or your drill. One touch, they're going to come all the way down. Look how easy this is. Put your blocks right underneath there. You're going to have your jacks come down, which obviously you're going to have the one side come first. It's going to hit the ground. As soon as that hits the ground, bam, followed right up by the other one. We're just going to kind of give you guys a little sample of how these work and how fast and easy this really is. Now again, these are strictly used for stabilization only. I don't want you to think that this is going to be used to really lift it up. So, done. Now we're going to go ahead and walk down the side of this. Full water heater. Outside TV hookup ready to go. Brackets already there, plug-ins there. Coax cable is ready to rock and roll. Access to your refrigerator, your furnace. You're always going to want to be careful of that because that's where your exhaust comes out. Freshwater fill, dual tandem axle. Pretty much well standard in all units right now. Solid steps. These, with that lend a hand, make for easy walking in and out. This one does come fully equipped with an outside refrigerator. And you will also notice the slide-on brackets right here, which all come standard with the outside griddle. It's got the propane hookup right underneath, and it comes standard with the front compartment with the full griddle. Same thing as front, back stabilizer jacks, which is right here. Come to the back, nice big bumper, pop your caps right off, put your sewer hose directly inside of there. Point out a couple cool features that are there. Outside spray port, which you can put, so you got an outside shower, so if your kids get dirty, dogs, anything, spray your feet off, hook your hose up, you're good to go. Excuse me. Another feature I want to point out, and pretty much well standard, every one of these units comes fully equipped for backup camera ready to go. Wiring there, everything's there. It's a bolt, plug, and play, ready to rock and roll. Just giving you the full kind of looks of how this unit is. Solid one slide. 30 amp service plug-in, extra coax cable for plug-in if you're at a permanent site, city water, and black tank flush. So many people aren't really familiarized with how this black tank flush, and this is one of the best things you can have. After almost every use that you're using, hook this up, spin cycles inside. That's going to clean your black tank off, get all that toilet paper and debris outside of there. That's a must to have. Easy hookups, black tank, gray tank. So when you're at your campground, any place that you want to be, you hook your hose. Don't always forget, don't stand like I am. Step off to the side because you just never know what could be there. Easy pull. Always dump your black tank first, followed up by your gray tank so you can clean that out with the soapy water. Dutchman Kodiaks make a tremendous unit. Love the color scheme, love how they are. They got extended floor warranties, extended roof warranties. These guys know how they are. Another thing, magnetic catches, so you don't have to worry about them little clips on the side breaking off. Just give it a little touch and you're ready to rock and roll. So one other feature I forgot to point out, does come standard outside speakers, so you guys can sit there and listen to your music inside, outside, however the case may be, but they are there. So go ahead and climb on inside. Let's take a look at what this Kodiak is all about. Remember, this is a 261 RBSL. Kind of let her soak this one in all the way. So when you come inside here, I did this a little bit differently. First things I'm going to point out, you do have the dual recliners. Go ahead and kick back. Nothing like sitting back and relaxing if you just want to take a little load off. Fully equipped with your fireplace, full entertainment system, so you have outside speakers, inside speakers. Sit here and just enjoy the evening. Now, while she's taking a look at that fireplace, you guys kind of came in this unit probably like, I'm just not really seeing the storage. Don't let that fool you. Take a look at that. Automatic light, come on, give yourself. Look at the storage there. What can't you fit here? Other thing, this is fully equipped. Washer and dryer ready to go. Outlets right here. I'm gonna go ahead and get off to the side. Easy accessible, removable drawers so that all you gotta do, bam, I got a washer and dryer. Heavy, heavy duty dual magnet catches. So when I go ahead and close this, you're traveling down the road, that's sitting solid, completely solid. Nice big refrigerator, easy to open up. Remember when I said that this thing has the outside shower? Fresh from the factory, there it is. One touch system, nor cold. All you got to do is turn it on, adjust your settings for your freezer and refrigerator. Do have fully equipped with the microwave. You got the stove light, fan, traditional 3-burner stove with the oven. Lots of counter space going around the whole entire unit. Deep stainless steel farm style sink, followed up by all the cabinets up top. Definitely got some cabinet space going on with that huge pantry. You got more cabinets down here. Big one directly below the stove. Easy one-touch thermostat control for your air conditioner and furnace. More cabinets on the other side by the sink. Lots more cabinets underneath. And the reason I had the dinette sit down to show you, most dinette booths are short. If you're a tall person like myself, you're not fitting there and sleeping. Hello, I'm gonna go ahead and give this a little bit of an example. 6'4", I'm on here. I don't want to hear the excuses. No grown man or woman can fit on here. I'm there. Go ahead and put these back up there. Like I said, we already went over the recliners. Easy access to your fuses, breakers. Everything is right there. Since how we're right here, we'll just kind of jump on into the bathroom a little bit. A couple of the features I'll point out before I give you the full tour. Easy sliding door. Again, guess what? I don't want to hear the excuses. I'm too big, I can't fit. I'm in. Nice sink, lots of counter space. Medicine cabinet, fully equipped with the light that you can fit all your necessities there. Again, I'm going to open up these cabinets for Melissa. Nice sized toilet. Lots of cabinet space. Look how deep this is. Go ahead and close these up because if you turn around and look over here, you've got more. Beautiful sized bathroom. Always fully equipped with a fan above here. This unit is definitely perfect couples coach. And again, if you have that other couple that wants to come with you, not a problem. Set them up right here. Now you're wanting to see what do we have. When you walk inside, this comes fully equipped with the pocket sliding doors. So ready? Bye everybody. Go ahead and close that back up. Always want to make sure that you have these closed for transportation. True queen size mattress, opposing side cabinets, outlets, both sides, sleep apnea, fans, anything you want. You don't have to have his or her side. You can go either way because both sides. Plenty of storage, fully strutted. You got a lot more storage underneath there. Nice thing about this too, as you can see on that side and this side, easy pull down shades. And yes, all the windows fully open up. Lots of window space throughout the entire unit. Emergency exit windows, both. Every window throughout this entire unit will sit there and open up. So I hope you guys and ladies, everybody enjoyed this unit as much as we did. I thank everybody for watching. Again, I'm Danny at Kunes RV. From all of us at Kunes RV in Elkhorn, Wisconsin, thank you very much. Wish you guys all happy camping and have a great day. Take care, everyone.